got my coffee. I'm heading over to a kind of like a callback, one where I charged $21.95 for an opener maybe a month ago, and she said something about it not going up all the way, so might be a cable, maybe something like that. So I'll get back to you when I get there, and we will see. Anyway, good feeling to wake up, eat breakfast, get your coffee. I gotta go get gas and then head on over and start working. Hey there, how you doing?
I'm okay, how about you?
Good. Did you want to push the button?
Okay.
And I'll meet you over there?
All right.
Thanks. Everything looks good there. Know what they're doing?
Well, it's hanging down. It never did that before. It came all the way flat.
Like when you pull this here, you don't want it to be pulled too far in because the spring tension up here. Okay, when you close the door down, if you get over here, see these big springs here?
Yes.
They pull on the door here, right? See these cables?
Uh-huh.
This is how the door works. It's a little cable that goes to the bottom of your door. They pull on the bottom of your door. It makes it so you can lift the door. It only feels like maybe 40 pounds. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to lift the door. So you don't want the door when it naturally sits here, like wherever it sits. When you open it, you want it to be in this area here. You don't want it to be pulled all the way in. If you pull back, the opener is gonna have to hold that spring tension and it'll damage the opener. This is where you want it to stop so that you're not fighting any spring tension.
Okay, so.
Do you want me to have it open more? I can make it open a little more though if you want. Let me do it for you. That way you feel better. But that's where you would normally want it to sit naturally, so once it's open, you don't have any pressure on the arm. So if you have it holding open, it's going to be fighting the spring tension, so it'll...
Is that going to be a problem?
No. Well, I mean, it's better the other way. It'll do it on its own now. Yeah, it's learning the force. So right now, it's learning how heavy your door is.
Oh.
So it's running itself. And then it'll be done.
Well, that's interesting.
Yeah. And then you just have to push the button. Let me do that. You see the turn on the track right now?
Uh-huh.
If I were to pull this, it's going to want to roll down. So now watch. Well, a little bit, but it came down a little. You don't want it to have to pull backwards because in the springs, it's fighting the spring tension. So,
okay.
But I mean, this is fine. If you'd rather have that to make you happy, then that's where it'll be. These are all rotting. I noticed it when I was out here. Did you know that?
I don't know anything.
They have this, actually this is it. This is called Climate Seal, but it's so bad. I think they used wood because they're normally vinyl. They're not made out of wood. So see this little flap on it?
Yeah. Do you repair that too?
Yeah, we have Climate Seal that we put on when we put a new door in, but they changed it. See this one, the one you have here is wood. I can see underneath, and it's all rotted. See this?
Well,
I mean,
why don't we fix it?
No, I'm just telling you because I remember this before, and you had the bolts on your door. Remember? See these?
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is they've improved this now. This is all made out of like vinyl.
Okay.
So it can't rot. Maybe I have a piece in here I can show you.
Well, how much would it cost for you to fix that?
I don't know. I can look at our price sheet and then find out what it is. Oh no, I'd just go pick it up. I can go get it.
Well, why don't we go ahead and do it?
All right, I'd have to go pick it up. I could do it like in a couple hours from now. I'll just go get it first on the truck and then I'll call you.
Okay.
All right.
Great. Well, thank you.
It'll be in the afternoon. Okay. Thanks.
a lot.
Okay. So here you go. I'm picking up the Climate Seal, Home Depot. Okay, now I'm back to this job and I got the Climate Seal right here, the new stuff, and we're gonna get going. Let me go up and ring the bell again. I was just here 45 minutes ago. Hi, it's only me again.
Yeah.
I already got it. I'm gonna do yours first. I'll do those after.
Okay, so you want me to open the door?
Yeah, that'd be good. Thanks. First, you take this off like this. fold it in half, throw it in here. You do that all the way around. I'm gonna take the top one off, both sides off first. This off. You want to make sure all the nails are pulled out and this is all cleaned up all the way around. That's where the old one was, right there. You can even use that for a guide when you're putting the new stuff back on. So clean that out. Now we just go back. We're going to grab one of these. I couldn't get a 16-foot length, so I'm going to use 2 9s, or no, a 9 and a 7. I got to piece it together. I don't normally do that, but that's all they had. That's all Home Depot had. So anyway, I'll get back to you in a minute. One here. This one's going up. Shoot that up. You got the stops on all the way around. I had to piece it together right there, but it'll be good once the door closes. She had my old receipt there with her. Here's this receipt, 514, and this is the one I did on December 6th, which is only a month or two ago. That was the $21.95 for the door opener. So there, I've gotten $2,700 basically to do some climate seal and a garage door opener. I had $250 in parts. I made $2,700 on that. So I made like almost $2,500 to do that. It's pretty amazing. Now she wants me to paint her house. I know a guy that paints. I'll probably call him. Have him give me a little kickback, and then that'll be it. Every day I go out and I make this kind of money. You put yourself there, they call you, you go make the money. You just got to learn it. I can teach you how to do it. All you got to do is go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.